Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up and use the Google Authenticator app on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the App Store on your iPhone, tap the search bar, and type in Google Authenticator. When it appears in the results, tap Get or the download icon to install it. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Sign into your Google account by entering your login details. After signing in, you'll be taken to the home screen of the app. At the bottom right corner, tap the plus icon to add a new account. You'll see two options: enter a setup key and scan a QR code. If you choose to enter a setup key, type in the account name and the provided key. Then select whether the code should be time-based or counter-based. Tap Add to finish. A code will now be generated for that account. If you prefer using a QR code, tap Scan a QR code. Your iPhone's camera will open. Point it at the QR code shown on your other device or screen. Once scanned, a code will be generated in the app. To complete setup, return to the site or app where you're enabling two-factor authentication. Enter the code shown in Google Authenticator to verify and secure your account. So that's basically how you can set up and use the Google Authenticator app on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.